Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed video in your HubSpot email. So to do that, first go to HubSpot.com and log in with your account. Click on go to my account. Click on email after clicking on marketing,
and then click on create an email.
create regular. Let's do a simple.
And now I'm heading on to YouTube to select any video that I want to embed in my HubSpot email.
So let's click here.
And then we're back to our email.
All you have to do is click on video
And then drag it to your email.
You can add a video URL as well, so I'm just going to add a video URL.
So we're just going to add the YouTube video URL. So we're just going to paste our YouTube video URL over here, and as you can see, we can see the preview.
So yeah, all you have to do is review and send, and your video will be embedded to your HubSpot. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.